the United Nations at the World Tourism. A dark sepa celebration. Ewo mamuni na ene ye hosting wa Ashanti region Kumasi. Na mabe pie Miss Tourism. Mini Miss Tourism. Run a halfo. Mini Miss Tourism. Upper East. Mini Miss Tourism. Water region. Ana mini wa mobile be chichen enkomo. Efa tourism. Bia wa mu no ebia. Inte fa wafidie ne to na feature wani na ye bobo tourism enkomo. Lead winner of Miss Tourism. You are the ultimate winner of that tourism contest.
Yes, please.
Please, can you tell us your name?
I'm Obin Celestina Bafua.
From which region?
I'm from the Bono East region. Looking at the Brong Ahafo region previously, I believe the Brong Ahafo region has most of the tourist sites in Ghana, but it's the least visited sites here in Ghana because of like poor advertisements of the sites. Looking at the Bono East region now, we have the Nyansapo waterfalls, and then the Nyansapo waterfalls now it's world class. You should see it for yourself. It's been renovated, and I think that with the right publicity, the Nyansapo waterfall should attract a lot of tourists this year, especially the year of return.
No, is not made up of. Is made up of about 3 ethnic groups, or can you tell us much?
It's only one ethnic group. We are Bono. We all speak Bono. So for the festivals, where I come from in Kwanzaa, Yedi Baira, your friend Foku. So we celebrate Foku, and also in Techiman, which is the capital of the Bono East region.
A winner of Miss Tourism. What advice are you giving to your fellow youths outside there about tourism?
Okay, what I would tell the youth about tourism is if somebody is going to be fascinated about Ghana, it depends on how we publicize Ghana. So we should post made in Ghana foods, we should wear made in Ghana clothes and post them. We should be proud of what we have, and when we are proud of what we have, people will be proud to actually have it too. Yeah.
So can you tell us the main dish of the people, the indigenous of the Bono East?
Okay, Abono Foyedi Baire Fufu. Yes.
Thank you so much for being on our platform as the winner of Miss Tourism. Thank you so much. Yeah. Your name Miss Tourism no so ene twetwen komo no ono eye winner omo eye sa akansie no ono ene nipa odi mu enkunim na ogina de ma eye bron emamu sabre bunu no yachem ninte ono no bunu east enkransa ene techima ne kintampo ne petem ho no no momo de ofri enkransa nti wo kyerɛkyerɛ enu ebebre ede bewie se no kwasam tourism no enidaso bebre ewo ho de ma ene emamu no nti emamu no nyina mo ma hu tourism ne sesa bi adwuma bi a entimen fa emabu no emmobra enkosi daabi na emom no yemfa ye ho enwura tourism no mo na eni papa ewo mu edemaye yada na se pipire ayo sabre omodoso ahon fefo nko a Miss Tourism ahon fefo nko a na de otoso ebiem no ani na bade ekiri no ono eso ewo ha yene no ebetwetwe nkomo na madam, please, can you tell us your name and the region that you contested for?
Okay, my name is Rejoice Stacy Hehetro. I'm from the Volta region.
So can you tell us most of the tourist sites in Volta region, the size of Volta region, the lifestyle of the people of Volta region, and the various festivals of the Volta region?
Okay, with the tourist sites, we all know that the tallest mountain in West Africa is in the Volta region, which is Mount Afaja or Afajato. We have the Likpe Cave, we have the Tafia Tome, we have the Blue Waterfalls, we have the yes, we have the Blue Waterfalls, and with the festivals, we have the Hogbe Chucho Festival, which is celebrated by the people at the southern part of the Volta region, and the people of Ho celebrate the Teduduza, which is the Yam Festival. But in the Volta region, they say Teduduza. And then the people of Hoho and then Peki also celebrate the Bindukoza, which will also be taking place this December. to also put in our works, produce more artifacts, and get a lot of jobs out of this. Yeah.
You know, the winner, before the winner was leaving, she spoke region's dialect. Can you speak or can you sing any ever song for us before we sign off with you?
Okay.
Oh, just speak your language.
Okay.
Read them your language. Yeah.
Okay. Fiaina mi medogbe na mi apete me mele mi apete me la sidore mi apete mi agbo be mi akpere mi awon mi adu bindu koza le peki epeki me December.
Yo, mama, wezolo.
Yo, akpe.
Akpe, oh, akpe,
Akpe.
akpe. And yane ohima yi ono so fra frama mu ona yane no etwetwe adada mu enkomo yi na sade wo kan na wose no kwasem wo hwa frama mu a enipa bebre ewo ho Ghana ha yepe bupa ewo pa eno so ewo Volta region no kwasem omo wo afahya hodo bebre ewo ho na aduane a omo so dipa no eye akpele eni nkruma efro ye anan so sai omo wo bi ho a ye de akpele ne mako eso edidi pa ene nchinam eno so ye aduane a ewo ho ono ho ana wo cheche mu se emebu na wo ho ne nyina no enhunu tourism se eye ebia anije nko a na emom eye bie ade bia etimdi sika pa eba enipa asitina mo fi se enwuma hodo bebre ewom hotel enwuma efa nipa bebre enuane didi ebre efa nipa bebre sana eye bia ye kɔ hɔ nsrahwɛ ɔhɔ soso nyina no efa enipa ma omo ye adwuma masika bom botom. Tell us much about Upper East.
As you know, the three northern regions, so now should I say the five northern region, we are people of hospitality. We welcome people. It's a part of Ghana you can come where we can leave our rooms for you. We welcome you very well. And then when you come to the northern part of Ghana, it's like we welcome you home. So we don't treat you as strangers. So that is one mark of us northerners that cannot be taken away from us.
So can you tell us most of your festivals in northern Ghana?
So most of the festival include Damba Festival, that is celebrated to mark the birth of Prophet Muhammad, and it's also celebrated to recognize the rich chieftaincy of the northern people. Aside that, we have the Fao Festival. This is celebrated by the my people, the Kasnanankanes, and we celebrate it between December and February to thank the gods for a good harvest. Yes.
Have you been to Paga before?
Yes, that's
Can you tell us much about the Paga pound, the crocodile?
crocodile. Okay, so the historic thing about Paga Crocodile Pond is that it's during the transatlantic slavery, when some of the slaves were captured from my part of Ghana, that's the Upper East region, they were trying to escape from the British, and they got to a portion where there was a pond with crocodile in it. So we know crocodiles are very carnivorous, and then the less opportunity they get, they will swallow you. So they pour libation, offered sacrifice, and then it was believed that they communicated to the crocodile to help them escape from the British.
From the slaves.
Yes, so after that, they walked on the crocodile to cross the other side. And aside the pond, there is a whistling rock. One unique thing about the pond is that anytime any prominent person in Ghana or in the Kasna-Nankana district is about to die, one crocodile dies. So when one crocodile dies, then you know that something, it signifies that something, a prominent figure is either going to die or is dead. Yes, yeah.
So can you tell us most of their stable food?
Oh, so when it comes to the northern part of Upper East region, our favorite food is tozafi and ayoyo's stew. We have tozafi and green leaves, which in my language we call it vio. Yes.
And aside that, we have bambara beans and we have paula, which you all know as tibani. Tibani, yeah.
So before I leave you, what message do you have for the youth outside there? And moreover, too, before you leave, after your advice to the youth, you also speak your dialect, the Kasina Nankana, then we sign off.
Okay, so I would like to use this opportunity to educate we the youth that Ghana is our land, it's our home. We can travel outside, go and experience the rich nature, architecture of other countries. But at the end of the day, we'll come back to Ghana. It's our origin, it's our identity. So let's embrace it. We are encouraged to educate people about our country, tell them of our rich culture, the amazing tourist sites we have. If we don't visit the tourist sites to tell them about to tell other countries about them, they'll come and then they will know much better than us, and it will be shameful. So it is time for us to act. And I want to use this opportunity to plead to the Ministry of Tourism that most of the tourist sites are outmoded. They need to be renovated to add little beauty to it, to attract us. Because most people complain that they don't visit tourist sites nowadays because the place look old and it's not attractive.
The road leading to
Yeah,
South Side as well in the
leading-
deplorable state.
Yes, the road leading to most of the tourist sites are very bad. So they should kindly make the roads for us and renovate the place, and it will attract more Ghanaian youths to visit such places.
Then we want to hear you in Kasina Nanka.
Azana ba abuko awe danamuntu ala carbon le dana vote happening kodai alawa atabreba balance una Ghana yereban logo say dina uve dina uta Ghana tande brenona non trona water obre so the lori alora ban popo apa de tala Ghana lita de ta tengu mama about Ghana today the badona na way outside, and not forgetting that those are the Ghana Garo, because Ghana is home. Thank you.
So how do we say thank you in Kasina?
Akinli.
Akinle.
Yeah.
Akinle.
Akinli.
Ayo. Yene yenua eba no so na ofiri eye Kasina East ana yene no etwetwe nkomo. Onso kan afasha hodo bebira ewo eye Kasina Nankana na se apa East ho no. Ono na wokan abakosam kakra efa paga. Ukopaga ho a omo odenchem bi dan nsuo no mu na eho abakosam ana wokan se saa bere na ye ton enipa no Samora Ture no mu babatunde no mu ton koa no na nkoa ni bi so dwane efiso omo mpese ye beton wo mu kodu nsuo no ho na no se da bi asuaji yenyo giani yentwawo ana omo eyi akokɔ ene ye de ma denchem te denchem no de ye na denchem no da ho no mu gina denchem no eso na ode omo etwa esuo no na abakosam kakra ono so eka ekire no yedama se ye wokocha center na tourism edakese pa anwumere